Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing my fidgets. So let's get it. First up is all my poppets. Okay, here all of them. I do have 2 of these, so I'm going to put one right in the basket. We're going to check out our carrot one first. I really love this poppet. You can hear the sound. This is kind of not the loud side. It is kind of quiet, but here we go. Here we go. And there is this poppet. I got these 2. Alright, now let's go on to my rainbow poppets. I love this rainbow poppet. So yeah, okay, watch how these pop. Okay, this is the quiet side, so that is kind of loud. Here is the loud side. I'll shoot it closer. This is what it looks like on the loud side. It is very, very loud. One more time. What is it? Turn it around. I'm going to watch. I got this one for Easter, and this is 2021 right now. And I got this poppet in 2021 Easter this year. I literally love it so much. It makes a really loud sound. It's just so nice. And her earrings. Yeah, it makes such a loud sound on this one. I love it so much. You can have your rainbow poppet, okay? Okay, we got one to my little sister. Next up is this worm. It is a fidget. I just know it. It is really, really nice. And before I go on to the video, some more, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, not a thumbs down. And subscribe. Don't unsubscribe whenever you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button, the subscribe button. Yeah. And here it is. It's really, really nice. Here is where all this is. Here's where all this is. It is really nice. I just really scoot over, honey. Scoot over, sissy. No, Eileen, this is scoot over. Yes, scoot over. Alright, and there that is. Next up is this ball. And next up is my Barbie. Get her out of here. This is all about fidgets, not Barbies. So, hey! Eily, get it out! Oh my god. Oh, don't show them that yet. So here is the ball. It is a little larger squish, but it is a nice squish. It is kind of hard. I know it doesn't look hard on the camera, but watch. So yeah, there's the ball. Next up is the squishies. I remove her. Next up is my squishy. Move her. Next up is my squishies. First up, we're gonna do the Easter one since Easter is gone, but it's very close. So Easter. It is very squishy. It's not like the bowl. Oh my god, this is hard. But the squishy is very, very not that hard to watch. I love this one. It's really, really soft. I wish you were here to feel how nice it is whenever you squish it. It's just so nice whenever you squish it. It's really, really nice. I love it. Next up we have is my unicorn squishy. And I really like it too. It's really, really nice to squish too. And yeah. Next up is my mochi. I literally love it. Here it is. Here's my mochi. It is dirty and it's missing its eyes. Well, it does have a little bit of eyes. So yeah. And I really, really like whenever it was cleaned off one time. And it was like so nice to squish. I literally love this. And last but not least is my Orbeez ball. It's not like a needle. It does have Orbeez in it, and you have to squish it. You want to see? It does have. It is very, very white. And yeah, that's it for today. So yeah, bye. I'll see you all next time I get some more fidgets or whenever I make a different kind of YouTube video. Bye.